Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change content maturity Roblox. In the Roblox app, when you try to open a game, you will see the content maturity settings message. There, you will click on Go to Settings. You will go to the section Privacy and Content Maturity. Then click on Content Maturity. Now move the slider to the option Restricted. The changes will be applied automatically. As a result, when you try to access the game, you will see that it loads without the error initially presented. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.